How many stages do you think are involved in the process of turning raw materials like wood into a finished product like paper? Let's look at the process together. Wood is gotten from trees, right? So, the first primary activity is cutting trees. This process is called lumbering. Then the wood is transported to large factories where the next stage of manufacturing is carried out. The second stage will involve many processes before the wood from tree becomes paper. Now that the paper is ready, what do you think is next? The paper is taken to the market to be sold to people who will make use of it until this stage. Manufacturing is not complete. Can you now see that industries can also be classified according to their functions? The first classes of industry are the industries involved in primary activities of making raw materials available like lumbering, mining, fishing, hunting, and farming. The second class of industries are those involved in the secondary activities of turning the raw materials into finished and consumable goods. Examples of secondary industries includes construction, textile, ship, building, iron, steel, and chemical industries. And lastly are the tertiary industries that are involved in rendering services with manufactured goods, like trading, banking, teaching, medical, and transportation. Trust you had fun learning in this lesson. See you in the next lesson. Bye.